Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello friends, I'm happy meeting you again. So are you all, I hope. The topic for discussion here is how to speak English with ease. All that we discuss here is from the non-native speaker's point of view. When you speak in your mother tongue, you speak naturally and without thinking. Ideas form a queue in your mind and request you to speak them out. They keep saying to you, hey, spell us out. So you speak casually and comfortably, but not as a professional. Listen to the following example expressions. Hello, Prakash. வாங்க. Welcome. உட்காருங்க. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? வீட்டில் எல்லாரும் நல்லா இருக்காங்களா? ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு பார்த்து. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். காஃபியா டீயா கூல்ட்ரிங்க்ஸா? என்ன சாப்பிட்றீங்க? பிரதர், மூச்சுடுங்க. When you speak in English conversationally, it's not necessary that you speak every syllable, word, phrase, and the like very clearly and distinctly. Most of the non-native speakers speak as though they are newsreaders. Great conversationalists jam, link, merge, and slur while they speak. Most often articles, prepositions, and other such short expressions might look being missed out by them, but actually they do spell out all these. The pace they speak at presents such a spectacle to us. Dear beginners, fall in line with such experts, but at the same time, do remember you speak the listener's language, which means what you speak is understandable to the listener. It may not be easy initially. You have to practice regularly. Begin with simple expressions. Find here a few examples. Hello Prakash, welcome. Come on, take your seat. How are you? How are you people as well? It has been long since we met last. I'm happy now. Coffee, tea or cold drinks? What would you like to have? Come on, tell me. Don't be fussy, okay? As a non-native speaker of English, you live in your country and have no chance of interacting with native speakers. Then your stand is very easy. Don't worry about anything. Keep speaking in English, but fail not to pay attention to the basic elements of speaking, namely pronunciation, vocabulary, fluency and grammatical strength. Beginners of learning English should keep in mind these two central ideas. Speak naturally. Sound natural when you speak. Words speak more when they are ideas by essence. Learn expressions instead of individual words. By expressions, I mean phrases, clauses, and sentences. As a language trainer, let me speak out to you. Time keeps fleeing and life is being led. When I handle the IELTS and TOEFL sessions, I speak English professionally. My speech will be free of fillers and redundant expressions as well. I speak to the point and stay away from being wordy. Of course, it's an uphill task striking a balance between speaking professionally and speaking conversationally. Just liken the same to soft swimming and while swimming. While conversing with friends and relatives, I involuntarily use fillers but not redundant expressions. However, sometimes redundancies creep in when I speak emotionally. No man is infallible. I heave a sigh of relief then. Quite often my trainees do ask me about my two contrasting styles of speaking. One, during the training session, and the other, outside it. Friends, a lot more are there to discuss. However, let's have a break here. See you after a couple of days. Bye. Nota bene. Pin kuripu. Generally, when we speak in English as non-native speakers, we produce vernacular sounds. For instance, casually, comfortably. The RP sounds are casually and comfortably.
Hope you enjoy this video. Meet you in my next video. Bye everyone.